Hi everyone, this is me in my PJs, just getting started with my day at my home office, and I wanted to show you how it looks. So let's get started. That's my laptop, and it's a MacBook Pro. I totally love it. Um, Typing on that was giving me actually a pretty bad shoulder pain, so I decided to get a keyboard and a mouse to make sure that my posture is much better as I type. Next, let's move on to these headsets. Now, these headsets are really amazing because they're noise cancelling ones. I don't own them, it's my husband's, and he lends it to me when I really need it. And today is one of those days, especially when I'm doing my writing work and I really want to focus. I use these. That's my journal, the one thing that always is with me. Especially at home. When I go out, it's not really something I carry, but when I have it, I use it many different in many different ways and several times a day. That's my little doodling that I was doing yesterday, just for fun. This particular thing that you see here is actually something that I want to live by, and I put it together. I want to have messages around me that really inspire me, and this one is from Mahatma Gandhi. It says, "My life is my message." Out here, I've also got quite a few books and some pen stands. Out here, I just cleared up my table, so the printer is up here because it's not working right now. That's my Tibetan bowl. That particular round circular wheel that you see there is actually an Inner Wise energy medicine space clearing system. It's beautiful, it's amazing. And this is Saraswati, and I like to invoke Saraswati, especially when I'm doing anything creative. So that's like that's my little incense holder, which was a gift from my friend. Um, Here you see my Christmassy lights and my board, which has a few different things on it. It has affirmations. I'm imaginative and my creativity flows effortlessly. It also has some craft work from my daughter. It has a few little love notes from my husband, and it has a list of my priorities so that I can stay on track with them during the day. Those are my Christmassy lights again, and that's my beautiful window with lots of light flowing in. I hope you enjoyed watching my home office. I will see you on my next video.